Du Sano, an advisor to President Barrow, has challenged lawyer and political Hassan Martin to come out with proofs over his allegation that the president and his government are mired in corruption. Lawyer Martin told the Standard on February 5th that Gambians should not give President Barrow a fresh mandate when they go to the polls in December because of a litany of failures, top of which is rampant corruption. Du Sano, reacting to Mr. Martin, said, "I am challenging Hassan Martin as a lawyer to come out with evidence which can show to the Gambians that there is corruption in the government. Let him point his fingers at any government department or any person working in the government engaging in corruption. Before he says something, he must have evidence for it. Maybe he himself is part of the corruption he is talking about. I am not the government spokesperson, but I can say, before anyone accuses the government or anybody, you must have the proof. If there is corruption in the country, every citizen has the right to put a stop to it. But why is the corruption going on in this country? I want to ask Hassan Martin, did he stop anybody from practicing corruption in the country? If there is anybody, let him bring that person too." On Mr. Martin's call for NPP to disclose the source of funds with which they procure fleets of brand new pickup trucks, Mr. Sano reacted, "If Hassan Martin is a good lawyer and he is willing to know anything regarding NPP's vehicles, I think he should launch an investigation in every government department to find out whether even a single butut is missing. I want to tell him that there are people in this country who love the NPP, President Barrow and the country. These people are in the party. They have money and they are willing to sacrifice by spending their money on the party in support of President Adama Barrow. We have nothing to do with the state funds. President Barrow doesn't need government funds. If Hassan Martin wants to know that, let him go and ask government officials whether President Barrow has ever asked them for a single butut for the NPP." Mr. Sano said they were informed that Hassan Martin has been lobbying for something in Barrow's government, and when he failed to get that, he started making all this noise. Sano said his fellow lawyers are doing their jobs, but he is the only one criticizing the government while the government is not even aware of him. Gambians know what President Barrow is doing and they appreciate him for that. Gambians will never listen to Hassan Martin as he is a failed lawyer who does not even have clients. He is just wasting his time. President Barrow is not a failed president.